Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. Today we are going to discuss about VPC, subnets, route table, internet gateway as well as net gateway. So first of all, we have to discuss that what is VPC. So as you can see in my diagram, what is a VPC? VPC is a virtual private cloud. What is VPC guys? This is a virtual private cloud and basically we can say that this is our data center. What is this? This is our private data center in AWS cloud. So in VPC, we can create multiple subnets. So basically what is a subnet guys? If we want to break our VPC into multiple parts logically, so we can use subnets. So there will be interview question based on your VPC and subnet. So first of all, the question can be that how many VPC by default we can create in single region. So guys, in a single region by default we can create up to 5 VPC. If we want to create more than 5 VPC, then we have to request with AWS cloud. Second thing, what is public subnet and what is private subnet? So interviewer can ask that how many type of subnet we have. So how many type of subnet we have guys? Two type, public subnet and private subnet. Then interviewer can also ask what is difference between public subnet and private subnet. So guys, if in your public subnet EC2 instance is running, so it can directly communicate with internet. But if your EC2 instance is running in private subnet, it can't directly communicate with internet. We need net gateway for that purpose. So that is the what guys, our VPC and subnets. Next, there is a point route table. What is route table guys? So we have to define route, that from where and where our traffic can go. That thing we have to define in route table. After that we have internet gateway. So in internet gateway what we will do, we will provide internet to our VPC. So these things we have to do. So I hope this will be clear for you. Then there will be another interview question for you, that how many subnets we can create in single VPC. So guys, by default we can create up to 200 subnets in single VPC. If you need more, you have to make request with AWS team. So this is the complete our architecture. You can see that first of all we will create VPC. In VPC we have subnet, so we can create more than one two subnet, how many subnets you want to create. After that we have to create route table and internet gateway and all things. So let's come and we will set up it. Okay, so first of all I will come in my AWS cloud, and here we will search what guys, VPC. What we will do, we will search VPC topic here, and then we will create VPC. Okay, so let's come and we will create VPC. So wait, due to my internet low, I have to take time. So create VPC. Then here you have to give name of VPC. So I will give Vivek hyphen VPC. That is the VPC name. After that you have to take CIDR value guys. So you can take any CIDR value. So I am taking here 192.0.0/24. Okay, as per your requirement we can take CIDR value. If you want to create more subnets, take a smaller number after slash. If you want to create less subnet, take greater number. And the CIDR block size must be /16 to /28. Okay, it means you can give a smaller number 28, greatest number /16. Okay, /16 that is. So we will create this one, and after that you have to create VPC. So your VPC created. Okay, after VPC creating, what we need guys, we will create internet gateway. So create internet gateway. So you can give any name to internet gateway. I'm giving my IGW. After that we will create internet gateway and we will attach. So click in action, then attach to VPC. Choose VPC, in which VPC you want to attach, and then your internet gateway attached with VPC. Now we have to create subnets guys. What we have to do, we have to create subnets. So you can choose your VPC. My VPC is Vivek VPC. After that, name of subnet. So I want to give public subnet. Okay, so we will create two public. And what is the CIDR for this? So guys, for subnetting we can use calculator, that is the DevOps.net calculator. Okay, this CIDR calculator you can use. So what is the value? 192.0.0 and then /24, right? So you have to give /24 and update. So you get this, divide this one into two parts. So you can see that we are taking this value as a for first subnet. You can interchange, no problem. Means first value you can use for second subnet also. So now our public subnet create. If you want to create two subnets at a time you can choose. So we will take another one also, and name of subnet is what? Private. What is the name of subnet, guys? We have to give name of subnet is private. After that we have to give CIDR for private subnet. So second value you can take 192.128./25, this one. Okay, and after that create. So one public subnet and one private subnet will be created. So you can see that we have two subnets, one public, one private. Now guys, come in route table, and once refresh it, you will get one by default route table. Okay, that route table is created in which BPC? Vivek BPC. Okay, so first of all, in this BPC, what you can do, you can subnet associate, or if you don't want subnet associate, you can create another route table also. Okay, so in this subnet association, what we can do, we can create another route table. Okay, don't associate with it. We will create route table, and after that you can create route table name my-rt. That is the route table name. In which BPC you want to create? So I want to create inside Vivek BPC, and then create route table. So we created route table. Now subnet association. So click on it, and which one you want to make public, choose that one only, because your public and private subnet will be decided from here only, right? So we want to make public this one. So we selected this and association. After that, guys, I told you that your route table will be decided that where traffic will be go. So I will choose edit route and add routes. So 0.0, this is the internet global address, and after that we have to choose internet gateway, because our traffic will be go using internet. Then choose internet gateway and save changes, right? So we created VPC, subnets, route table, internet gateway. Now what we will do, guys, we will launch EC2 instance in both subnet. What we will do, we will launch EC2 instance in both subnet. So once come and create EC2 instance for public and private. So once you will click on launch instance, so you will check that there will be no instances. What we have to do, we have to launch instance. Okay, so just a minute. So launch instance, then name of instance. So I am giving public hyphen server. What we are giving, guys, public hyphen server, and after that you have to choose AMI image. Then you can choose instance type, then key pair. So I will create new key pair. Key pair name is what? Vivek key. Okay, so I will create Vivek key, and then we can create .pem, because we want to connect in PEM, means CMD. After that you have to edit network setting, then choose your BPC. So my BPC is what, guys? Vivek hyphen VPC. After that, auto assign public IP address, yes, because we want to assign. Now public hyphen SG, or you can give my hyphen SG. What? You can give my hyphen SG. Then we want to allow SSH, as well as we want to allow, guys, what? HTTP. What we want to do? We want to assign HTTP, and then source type what? Anywhere, and then you can launch instance. So your EC2 instance will be created in public subnet, and you can connect this EC2 instance also. Okay, so just a minute, it will create. So it's in pending mode. We can launch other instance. So click on this one and you can launch. So what is the name? This one, private hyphen server. After that you can choose AMI image and instance type, then key pair. So guys, we will take key pair name what? Vivek hyphen key. Same key pair you can use, no problem. After that you have to choose BPC. So BPC is only one, but here we will take what? Private subnet. After that, public IP you can assign, no problem. Then you can use security group what? My hyphen SG, and then you can launch instance, right? So your EC2 instance will be launched. So now come, and we have public and private server, right? So public server is created in which one? We can check once for verification. Oh, sorry. What we did, public and private both created in private subnet only. Okay, so that is the mistake. We need to launch another one. So no problem. We can terminate this one and we can launch another. Okay, no problem. Because this private server we created in which, guys, you can see this is the, what is the name of subnet? Private. But we have to launch another one. So you can come in instance, in dashboard. You can come downside, launch instance. Okay, so name of this one, public hyphen server. After that, AMI image, instance type, key pair we can choose same, no problem, right? So choose our key pair from here. So Vivek key is our key pair. After that, edit network setting. What is VPC? Vivek VPC. Then you have to choose subnet. So what is the subnet? Public, because in private we created private server. Then you can choose security group. So my-sg, and now launched. So guys, we have two EC2 instances. What we have? We have two EC2 instances, one public, one private. Okay. So now you can check that you will get two subnets, right? Public and private. So we can copy the public IP address of public server. You can see the name of what? Public server. Open CMD. Then we have to use CD downloads SSH EC2 hyphen user at the rate public IP hyphen I key name. So what is the key name, guys? Vivek key dot pam. So now we will able to connect. So you can see that this is connecting, right? So now we connected what? Our this one. Okay. After that, if you will try to connect that private instance, you will not able to connect. So this is the private instance. You can check what is the subnet name, that is private. So you will not able to connect this one because that is created in private. That is the drawback of this one. Not drawback, means difference. So downloads SSH EC2 hyphen user at the rate public IP hyphen I key name is what? Vivek Viveki.pan. It will not connect, guys. What it will do? It will not connect. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so this will not connect. Why? Because this is in private subnet. If you want to make it public, what you can do? You can associate subnet. Okay, just only you have to subnet associate in route table, then it will become public. So once I will show you that how you can make public. So come in your route table, choose your route table name is what? My-rt, then subnet association and edit subnet, and you have to make this one also public. Name is private, but you want to make public. So now if you will try to connect, you will able to connect. Check. So are you able to connect? Why? Because now you make public. Okay. Now let's, if you will make it private, so subnet association and edit and remove this private. Now this will disconnect automatically. Okay, so you can see that it's not working. Why? Because it's disconnected. Okay, so this is the difference. So now let's come, this is what, guys, our public EC2 instance. So we have to run our website here. So yum install httpd hyphen y. So this is what, guys, this is our web server. What is this? This is our web server. Okay, so just a minute. It will install web server in our Linux system. Then what we will do? We will run our website. So just a second. It will install. Right. So download it. Go inside cd var www html. Okay. And after that, what you have to do? Vim index.html. And what we can do? We can create our website. What we can do? We can run our website. So guys, I have my website code. You can see that here will be what? This is the my website. So if I will show you opening in my Google Chrome, you can see this is my website, right? So what I will do, I will copy this code and I will run. Okay, so come and open with notepad, copy code and paste. Now what we will do, we will save it. You have to start and enable daemon and service of our http. So systemctl start httpd, and then you have to use what, guys? Systemctl enable httpd. What you have to do? Start and enable httpd. Done, right? Now if you will try to copy public IP address of that, this is running local, sir, right? What is this? This is running in our local, but we don't want to run local, we want to run in our global. So we will use copy public IP address, then it will be accessible. So come once here, and which one is your public instance? Take this one. So this is public server. So copy IP address of this one, and what we will do? We will access it. So now we can access our website. Okay, so once you can check, guys, you can see, welcome to Cloud with Vivek. Join our expert LED real-time DevOps and cloud training program mastery. And after that, our courses and fees, you can see. Then after that, if you want to contact us, you can contact on my mobile number, mail ID. So this is the way, guys. So how you can create a custom BPC with subnet, route table, internet gateway, and all things, right? So guys, in next video, I will tell you that how you can use NAT gateway, because that is also very important. Why? Because according to diagram, in this private subnet, we will run our database server, means database, and in that database you need to update software. So how you will update? For that we need NAT gateway. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, like, share, subscribe my video, and also share in your LinkedIn family and you Facebook members. So thank you to all of you. Have a good